ito hindi naintindihan ng mga most of the fans ng Gilas. Okay. Kai Sotto and QMB are players in the Japan B-League. Okay? When they play for their national team, which is allowed per a clause in their contract, yung insurance nila doon, kasi pag na-injured ka, like when Kai Sotto got injured in the Japan B-League, he was insured by the team. So, yung medical expenses niya lahat, sweldo niya covered for 1 year. Walang issue. Now, if you play outside of your mother ball club, yung insurance mo doon do not travel with you. So kung ma-injured, kung ma-injured, example, si Kai Sotto do, God forbid, or si QMB ma-injured while playing for the national team, walang insurance. And then, if yung contract mo hindi ironclad, pwede kang i-terminate ng team mo doon sa Japan, patay ka, wala ka ng livelihood.